What's up guys? It's a good day to vlog again because today dumating ang ating BuddyClub Seat Rail for my racing seat para sa Project GK5. So guys, unboxing muna tayo ng BuddyClub Seat Rail. Let's go! So guys, ito yung box niya, no? Shout out kay BuddyClub Philippines. Thank you for sending this over. Disclaimer nga pala guys, I paid the full price for this. This is not a sponsored product. I'm just doing the shout out kasi very good service sila guys. So if you guys need some BuddyClub parts, just contact GEC Parts. Link is on the description below. Anyway, tara mag-unbox tayo with one hand. You can see, puro staples dito. So, mukhang kailangan natin ni Matteo Guidacelli tong box na to. Sisirain talaga natin to. Alright guys, yung mga laman. Super low down seat rail, BuddyClub Japan. Alright. Mabigat siya guys, mabigat. Pero sa tingin ko mas mabigat pa yung nakakabit sa loob ng car right now eh. So these are the provided hardware para sa BuddyClub Seat Rail. May weight siya talaga and you can feel na matibay talaga siya. Apparently guys, very straightforward lang ang installation nito. So this is the setup. And itong mga to, you just put it here. Ito yung nalagyan dito sa likod. Ito, dito. And then itong mga hardware na to, you just place it here. Ayan, sisikipan mo lang siya. Ayan. So of course, nagsaslide to, no? Because it depends on how wide your seat is. So for me, Sparco Grid Q siya. So actually, before ko kabit to, I'm gonna see first kung kasha yung Sparco Grid Q ko dito. Hopefully kasha para hindi natin kailangan palitan tong reel na to. Okay guys, we ran into a problem. I went upstairs to check up on my bucket seat. Wala palang bolt kasama yun. So yung racing seat may 4 na bolts sa side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, so walang kasamang bolts yung Sparco na seat. Apparently, separately sold siya. So I think I'll have to pause this for now. I'll get back to you guys pag nabili ko na yung bolt na yun.
A few moments later.
What's up guys? I am back. And ngayon, meron na tayong proper hardware. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, ayun guys. These are stainless steel na bolts and nuts. And ganito siya. So, these are very strong. Hindi siya original Sparco hardware. But these are stainless steel and very high quality. So sure ako na hindi mababali tong mga to pag ginamit ko. So yeah, let's proceed with the install. So right now guys, we are here at the rear of the driver's seat. And as you can see, I've taken off these panels. Andito siya. This is the cover for this and this. So I just slid those out. And now we have to take these 2 bolts, and there's 2 bolts in front as well. Bruh. Whoa, tigas. Pero dapat lang kasi upuan to eh. So finally, natanggal ko guys. So we're gonna be reusing this for that. Yung seat rail sa baba, it's gonna go on the same location. Alright guys, so we got the 4 bolts. And now we can take out the driver's seat. Ang bigat guys. Ang bigat ng stock seat. So natanggal na natin yung stock driver seat from there. And this is the one that's gonna be replacing it. It's a Sparco Grid Q. Ito yung latest technology ng Sparco. Itong Q, which means QRT. Ayan, very light siya. So now, look what we have here. I have the BuddyClub seat rails already bolted on to the stock existing mounts. As you can see, itong pang seat belt relocated na rin siya here. Yung wire, I let it run there. Ito baka i-zip tie ko na lang. As you can see, nakakabit pa rin yung seatbelt sensor. So we won't have any problems with the dashboard lighting up.
A few moments later.
What's up guys? So I just finished installing the Sparco seat. I'll be showing it to you guys in a second, pero grabe, sobrang pagod na ako. My watch says that I've been working out for the last 97 minutes. Before everything else, I just wanted to point out na meron tayong small clearance issue over here. I don't know if you can see. So the corner of the seat coming into contact with that panel, no? So minor lang naman. Pero so far so good. I'm actually sitting on the racing seat right now and it's actually super comfortable. And these bolstering sa sides really hold me well. Talagang hindi na ako gagalaw nito pag nasa track ako. Track ready na ang ating Project GK5. So guys, ito yung itsura ng seat from the back. As you can see, more legroom here actually. And as you can see yung seat belt, I also took off the bolt here para i-relocate yung baba ng seat belt to loop around here. As you can see, may hole dito. So I had to do this para pag nakaupo ako, tapos yung legs ko ganyan, 'di ba? So that the seat belt will still hold me down. Kasi pag hindi ko ginawa to, the seat belt will go up here, tapos maluwag siya sa legs or sa hips. So it won't be able to hold me down. So ayun, usable pa rin yung 3-point seatbelt natin dahil dito. So guys, with the Sparco seat installed together with the seat rail, ito na lang actually yung iniintay ko sa Project GK5 para maging talagang track ready na talaga yung car. So yeah guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed my install video. Please don't forget to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Dadali natin tong Project GK5 sa track soon. I'm not sure when pa dahil may pandemic ngayon, pero try natin mag-schedule. I think we will be able to break our personal best time sa Clark International Speedway this time kasi meron ng bucket seat, hindi na ako mahirapan. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed and please stay safe. Let's stay COVID free. See you guys soon. Thank you.